Now wow, when you say you baba ni. Army man. What's up? Wetin come carry you come people?
We dey leave. We are on leave now, no work. So I saw the people outside. I decided to come and
What you apply for army job?
Sam, I dey look for side also. You know say Nigeria no good for one work. We dey leave now. Nothing dey happen.
Now wow. You know say no be me you want teach. Nah bon.
Okay.
I see can feel you don't go. Abang aja sini, dah pernah jalan. Abang, Dio, kaya aplikan for this. Ami man, when you wrong God, no you with them go get that smoke. Take them, don't you am for me. What? Ahead of me. Masih.
Things say they wine.
Mana asyik ibang. Abang ko. Show ke background. Stop you. Eu faz senior me. Sila ibe.
Esse vai não di.
Apa tu kau di sewa sila ubedu.
Vai não di meio.
Say yo.
So go wake on me. See, itu bayi wake on.
Tapi aku baru bebo.
Ayo wake me. I mean go yang wake on.
I am side also.
See this side also.
Dombenos.
Oh, tembenosong. Oh, okay. Si amin ang buat tembenosong.
Ayo kaya kedai lu. Udah me kau iba apa? Apa kau bagi leaf?
Oh, ayo ke leaf. See leaf.
Yang banyak.
Oh, even a young.
But maybe you can see the teacher before the ibang teacher. Harap army.
Sena ang yakbe film.
Ya mi di kwe. Kamay di kami. Men ketir tu Bakit siya? Abang sukti ka ketirum pene biru. Bakam.
Siri bakam.
Ayako.
Ibo din yo.
Ibo ni fojo sukti ka yako. Kaya kwe mo. Bone ko ngai le si kwe be wo bito.
Ayo kwe mi sombo. Baba yemen se ko yo kwe.
Hey, waiting for what?
Simple. Physical and health education.
Ayo what did you?
Physical and health education.
How are they?
Bebe wona ide me bukso.
Oh. Oh. Mpani ko nang ko yo minjo mi de masong merong. Ayo yo ni de bonni dai de masong merong.
Bab.
Utam bolom kinyo.
You be mumu.
Nama ya kaiso. Ayo ko di tantim. Ana mi.
Obe ako use sis yen jom. Bebe gi ko tengah ba.
Ana na mi ndang nang sila kaya nang do kayo
Suka ke sirong kami tu iba ko nam ti. Ko bidyado. E mai bo nam physical and health for ko. Ya bo.
Asa sama. Do kayo so ko ruwa.
E go ro nyedo riesa.
Ndiri riesa.
Ama for ko ba mebo.
Ani mi so ko ni beb ko. Do kayo so ko de kamo ba.
Bring it down small. Good.
Ndiri good.
Ana ma for.
Ina mo ko phone. Sina mo ba si ada gi sengan ni. Ko mana so ko.
No ba ko nyedo phone. Ma ma tenga for da bon utu dongo de bo.
Ani mi so ko ni beb ko.
Aya gbe.
Ami. Ma ba si ni beb ko nyo so ko ruwa.
Reduce.
Do kayo kaiso.
Yes, I want to take him on physical and health education. You need to be fit.
Ayo what did
You need to be fit.
Ndiri fit.
Need to be fit.
Ami mo ngtoro. Kibik bomi.
Kasi ko tiro frame gi me veni na ugbe ifo one.
Asa sama.
Oh yes. Ifo one.
So as I'm saying, you know you deal with people. So when somebody calls you, need to be fit so that nobody will come here and intimidate you in your own go.
It's okay, Ami.
Is you understanding me?
Just kaiso kanga. Can you pan board yung uroko? Go on.
So now you will stand up. So give me the cane. Let's start.
Ayo na mali din.
Dakara.
Ayo na kami ndakanda.
Dakara.
Uyo. Okay.
We call this one press up.
Ayo na mali din.
Abo ya nam press up. Ani me. Erong di mini ubi ako. Oh ubi ang idap. So na nam press up. Baru okay. Wadi ya what?
You be mumu.
So bang. Yung ay press up.
Siri press up.
Di fake man ang kick off. Nam ganyo wali sok mo. I am full of.
Siri follow.
Okay, you want to show him? Show him. Go.
Yeah, go there.
Go down.
So
Iwan, okay, so what is
So
it?
you
down.
go for bono go.
Good day.
No, the play.
Okay. Ka.
I'm another
Uni ba ni ni? Una mo kabarim na.
Baby Riesa.
Siri ba rieza.
Bafuna mo ka.
Asa sama.
No, that's not how to do it. Get up.
Yes.
This is press up. Like that.
Apo na mi ba ko do yan na yo kay tune.
we see what your example is. What?
So me you na masen you na mariero.
Say be na mario.
Ayo go ro ina miri. Okay, I don't think na.
It's okay. We are not doing that one
Kuna
again.
baba.
We are moving to the next one.
Ayo ro go di.
Abo give me na next one.
You need to be fit. You need to be very agile, you know, vibrant.
Ayo ro go di.
Fit. Ala buri on e toro fi the phone. Then na do vibrant.
Nsi di fiber.
Phone ma vibrate.
You need to be strong.
Atoto mi nyami ya you know.
Megre we go ngoro. Yabo.
Asasema.
Mama mfe ugbon
Ah, mi ni na gugu chente na fere.
Okay.
We call this one frog jump.
Ayo ro go di.
Like this.
E go ro
Down.
frog jump.
Nsi di frog jump.
Be sangi ko.
Ami sang.
Ani na ro ye di san teme fukan no fere. Go front ko.
Front ikon. Ki big bomi.
Go.
Isasema.
Sene abang nam ke jong wa. Is confidence.
Nam ka ba.
Abang dry anye.
Pero que si mi aremi. Mo mi afi fo ufong wala sona.
Abang betu eri ni ke.
Mbem kaba. Uto songo ina yo.
Abang betu
Ufong wala sona. Mbem kaba. Mbem ka.
Release ya.
Nam frog jump. Nam frog jump. Tonga mi
Abang
tonga.
sene sina.
Mbem kaba ufong wet nam frog jump. Kasi mo ro wali mbem me ko. Afodi mi amu fe.
Kasi mba.
Sokore kay so, sokore. Ko sokore kay so.
Abang se frog nyana.
Aha.
Rono.
Kami want main.
My Edo. Alright, thank you very much for watching Last Nation Entertainment.
Thank you.
See you next week.
Subscribe.
Share the video, and like it. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, don't forget Ufoakan live on stage in Uyo on the 29th of November
At Emira.
Event Center. Please don't miss out oh tickets. You know too much.
If you miss this one,
okay.
now you go play yourself.
If you miss, that means we don't want him for
Bluetooth.
Please, regular 1K, VIP 3K, VIP 5K, table 50. That is for 10 people, and platoon table 100K for still 10 people. Please,
Your family.
please, for sponsorship advert, if you want to just bless us, call this number, WhatsApp or call. But don't forget 29th of November. Ufoakan live on stage. We are coming
Everything.
with everything. We are
No,
coming with
from number 1 episode, you watch it live.
and we are coming with our brothers, please,
Our
and our
brothers.
sisters.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Didi Marama.
Marama.
See you there.